AC units in houses and apartments are giving out as these temperatures near triple digits in Arkansas. Repair companies say for the last couple of weeks they've been working around the clock, some putting in 10 to 12-hour days just to get these units fixed.
Jessica Rank joining us live. She is outside of our studios. At 4 o'clock she had a thermometer with us. It was about 100 degrees out there. You're on the hot concrete. Boy, I tell you, talk about sacrificing for your profession.
I'm saying maybe I deserve a raise or something being out here, but I will tell you it's not a number I want to see standing out here. It is a little bit hotter on the concrete right now, reaching right above that 110. This is not something I want to see. This is not something people without air conditioners want to see either. Now, the AC repair companies tell me right now their wait time is about a week out.
As soon as the temperatures hit 90 degrees outside, phone's ringing off the hook and burning up the roads.
Wheels in park, tool bag in hand.
Hey, how's it going?
Shane Coates makes his first stop on a long list of houses.
Everybody's units broke down.
Today, he'll make 8 calls, drilling, wiring, and tinkering with AC units.
I was like, wow, it's really, really hot in here.
Jessica and Leonard Hansberry were unpacking their house last week when temperatures inside started to rise.
The next day, my husband was like, baby, the thermostat is not working.
The Hansberrys say the temperature got up to 85 degrees inside. Not exactly something you want to be dealing with in the thick of summer.
It's just like we struggle in the heat. These units are struggling in the heat as well.
Coates says many of the repairs he's making are because units are old or unmaintained.
Your unit's kind of like you were breathing through the masks all year, especially when it got hot. It's a little harder to breathe.
Call after call. Coates and his team work overtime.
Every time a slot comes open or we get finished with a job earlier, we call somebody from the next day.
He says it's just part of the job, and during the summer, it's an important one.
A lot of people have either children at home or elderly people, and we don't want them struggling in this heat.
Now, Coates gave me a few, tips that you guys can take, precautions rather, to keep your AC running this year. A good one is to make sure that it's always cleaned out. Make sure you guys are changing those air filters every 30 days. And another one that maybe not a lot of people might like, but it will help you in the long run, keeping your thermostat at 75 degrees during the hottest part of the day. But that's the very latest out here in the heat. I'm going to try and walk inside and get some AC of my own. Bob, Laura, back to you.